Okay, so what I've built here is a little machine to turn the solar panels based on where the sun is. So here we have our little solar panels taken off of some outdoor lights, and then the backs of those, so I'm just coming right out of the panels and into the breadboard, so negative to ground, and then the other side goes into the Arduino right here to sense the values. So this way we can determine which one is getting the most power. And then we've got a little code over here that is just turning the servo based on which one has the most power. And so we've got our servo is wired up into the board, and so there it is. So right now it's in the middle position, which matches what we have here. S1V is the highest. Now we'll change that. There we go. So all I'm doing there is taking, so here's a light. I guess that's where that one's at. So there you go.